Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for an option to remove malicious softwares from your laptop without purchasing any third-party tools, so it is free to use. So maybe you have installed a software which may be impacted your laptop, and you are not sure what you have to do in your laptop to remove that software. So you need to run a code. You just need to enter Windows icon and R icon in your laptop, or you if you don't know how to do that, you can go to search option and you need to write down RUN. So automatically this you need to click here, and then you need to enter MRT, and then you need to click on OK. So you need to wait for a few seconds, then you need to click on yes, then you need to click on next. So you will have some few options, so I would recommend you to go with this, or if you want to do depth scan, this will take time, but you can use this option. So for now let's start with quick scan. Then will start scanning your laptop, and it will maximum it will take 30 to 50 seconds. And if you see, it's scanning your all software which you have installed in C drive. So once this is done, you will if there is any infected file in your laptop, it will show the number here. If not, then you will get the message like no malicious software was detected. So I already performed a scan on my laptop. So for now, there is no malicious software is available in my Windows laptop. So in order to protect, or you can add more steps or more security to your laptop, you can go to your Windows laptop, and you need to click search for Window Defender. That is free. That is a free antivirus which are provided by Windows. So you can enable Window Defender firewall, and it is free of cost. So you don't need to pay for this. It's totally free, and you can use it unlimited. Like there is no validity to use it. So you need to make sure these firewall are switched on. So even if it's not on, you just need to click on turn on window defender, then you need to click these options. So make sure you didn't selected these options. So as you see, it's are not recommended option. So hope this video is helpful for you. And as you see, it's taking time, and it will automatically complete after 1.2 seconds. Okay, so hope this video is helpful for you. Please feel free to subscribe our channel for latest videos. Thank you.